Actually, this is our first mobile suitcase for kids.
Okay.
And it looks like a doll. And when you move it forward and backward several times, you can see the eyes are bright. That means it is working now. And when it is working, you can press the button here to make it move forward. And this one make it move backward.
Wow.
And it is powered by this battery. And just now I told you it is a mobile suitcase. That means here is a storage about 16 liters.
Okay.
And you can put some kids' toys or personal belongings in it. And also, we can make turns with the two horns on the head. Make it turn right and make it turn left. And it is designed for the kids aged from 4 to 8. And the capacity is about 60 kilograms. But even me, 86 kilograms adults can ride on it. Let me show you.
Oh, okay.
Let me show you here. But I'm too happy, so it moves a little bit slow. Just in this
Okay.
way.
Or at least, yeah, it's good demo.
And also, it is powered by the battery here. But when you put it out, look here, Type-C connector. That means it can be used as a power bank to charge your phone.
Oh, okay.
Really cool.
So how long does it take to charge fully?
It takes usually about 2 to 3 hours to charge to the full capacity, and with a full battery, it can run about 6 to 8 kilometers long.
Oh, okay. And you can take them to the airplane?
Of course,
Oh.
it's a carry-on suitcase.
Okay.
That means you can take our suitcase to the plane directly after the security check and into the cabin.
Oh, okay. Nice. Perfect. So this one stows away?
Yes, you can fold it in this way.
Okay.
And you can also fold the ear in this way.
Oh, okay. Great.